Here is the Mercedes SL, and today we are going to change cabin filters. It's an easy job that only takes 15 minutes. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome! Here is the Mercedes SL R230 chassis. This model was produced between October 2001 and December 2011. During this period, there was a facelift in 2006 and another one in 2008. However, this video concerns all generations of Mercedes SL R230 from 2001 to 2011. Before entering the passenger compartment, outside air enters through here and is directed through the cabin filters located behind the dashboard. Contaminants are then trapped inside the filters, preventing them from entering the inside of your car. Then, fresh air enters the cabin. As a reminder, we saw in two previous videos that in a Mercedes S-Class W220, like this one, there is a pair of dust filters to filter dust and pollens, and a pair of carbon filters to eliminate strong odors and harmful gases, which is useful in traffic jams. In the Mercedes SL, there is only one pair of cabin filters, and these cabin filters act as both dust and carbon filters. That's why Mercedes-Benz calls them combination filters. Their role is to eliminate dust, pollens, strong odors and harmful gases at the same time. They contribute to the health and comfort of vehicle occupants. Cabin filters must be replaced at each B service, that is to say every 30,000 kilometers or 4 years, whichever comes first. 30,000 kilometers is around 19,000 miles. Anyway, you don't have to worry about that. Just follow your service indicator. Each time your B service light comes on, your car needs new cabin filters. It's as simple as that. With new cabin filters, the air inside your car will be clean and fresh. So guys, are you ready for cabin filters change? Let's go! To access the cabin filters, we must remove this cover. First, fold the carpet back. Then remove this black polystyrene plate. To remove that cover, we're going to remove 3 screws. One there, and one there. Let's do that. We use a Torx T25 screwdriver. Now let's remove the front cover. Start on the right side. Then remove the left side by pulling it forward, like this. Here we go. Then disconnect the electrical connector from footwell illumination. You can then remove the front cover. Cabin filters are here and here. Let's start with the one on the right. There are 2 locking slides holding the filter cover. Move the rear locking slide forwards and the front locking slide backwards. You can then remove the cover. Then use the tab to extract the filter. Look at all the dust blocked by the filter. And be careful, cabin filters must not be cleaned, but should always be replaced. Now let's remove the left filter. Same process. Move the rear locking slide forwards and the front locking slide backwards. Remove the cover. And remove the cabin filters by pulling the tab. As you can see, it's really not complicated. It's both quick and easy, and it's done without tools. Now let's install the new filters. These high-quality cabin filters fit all R230 SL. I'll give you a link for these filters below this video. Be careful, this edge must be placed on the left side. Like this. Insert the filter upwards and push the filter all the way up. Then put the cover back on. And move the front-locking slide forwards and the back-locking slide backwards. And that's it. And you do exactly the same for the filter on the right. Remember, this edge on the left side. Put the cover back on. Then move the locking slides to the stops. Next, put the front cover back in place. To do so, first clip the footwell illumination. As you can see, there is a catch lug here that goes there. You have to pay attention to this for a good positioning of the front cover. Like this. Then put the left side in place. And then the right side like this. Put the 3 screws back in place. Then put the black polystyrene plate back in place. As well as the carpet. And you're done. Thanks guys for watching. If you liked this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you, bye bye.